Yum Yum sauce. Don't you just love that name? I'm Tess, and today I'm making a copycat recipe for Yum Yum sauce. It's real easy and real good. Stay tuned. Yum Yum sauce is what you will see served at the Japanese hibachi restaurants and some of the high-end kitchi restaurants. It is a mayonnaise-based sauce that is creamy, tangy, spicy, and good. So let's get started. Here I have 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a 1/4 cup or less of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and this is a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use black pepper. Give it a good mix and give it a taste test for any seasonings. This is going to be covered and refrigerated overnight to bring all the flavors together, or if you're in a time crunch, at least a couple hours. I used a 1/4 cup of water, but if you want the sauce thicker, you could start with 2 tablespoons of water and then add more as you like. Once refrigerated, the sauce will also naturally thicken a little. You can serve the Yum Yum sauce with fresh or cooked vegetables, as a salad dressing, over French fries or chicken wings, and of course as a condiment for all kinds of sandwiches and wraps. I made the Yum Yum sauce for my American WAGYU burgers and French fries. If you missed my WAGYU burger video recipe, I will leave a link here and also in the description box below. I hope you give this simple and yummy Yum Yum sauce a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!